Well, hey guys, hey, silver's up over $38 again today. Gold's at 1433. Um, Silver was up as high as 38.63, I believe it was this morning. It's down to about 38.44 right now. But there was a couple of interesting things that came out last week. One was the CEO of Wal-mart announcing that inflation is on its way. At Walmart stores, they're going to be raising their prices for a lot of their products because obviously the materials to make these products has gone up, so their costs have gone up, and they're going to pass that on to the consumer. Well, that's big news in itself, that a big name CEO would come out and say, yeah, inflation is on the way, or actually is already here. What that does is give retail stores across the board the green light to finally raise their prices. Because anybody who's been competing against Walmart has been doing everything that they can to keep their prices as low as they can for as long as they can, and it was becoming a struggle, I'm sure, for most companies to not pass that cost on to the consumer. But when Walmart comes out and says, "Hey guys, we're raising our prices," that gives everybody else who's competing with them the opportunity to raise their prices too without any kind of big backlash. The other thing is, there's a good article here. It's been out since the 28th. It was James Turk from Gold Money. He has some pretty good charts comparing the trajectory of gold from where it was in '01 to where it is now, and he compares them against the different currencies. Obviously, the dollar, the pound, the euro, the Swiss francs, the well, that's what it ends with. It ends with the Swiss franc. But it just shows that the trajectory of gold is going up. And he announces at the end of this article that hyperinflation is pretty much already here, and the gold price is waiting right now to take that slingshot up. It's already built its base, and it's on the way up. And what this shows is that hyperinflation is here. It's that these other currencies are worth less, and especially because the other currencies that we've mentioned are all backed really by the dollar. Like the dollar is the world reserve currency, so all other currencies are backed by the dollar. And when we pulled the gold standard out from underneath the dollar, we effectively made everybody else's currency nothing but paper. It's not backed by anything but our paper, which isn't backed by anything at all. So that's why the hyperinflation, when it hits, it's going to hit worldwide, because our Fed is printing, dollars like it's going out of style. We're creating digital money and creating paper money, and it's flooding the market. And so all these other currencies that are backed by the dollar, well, they're going to lose their value as well. And against gold, the gold price is going to be high. So I just thought this was a very interesting article, and he has charts, and if you've seen any interviews with James Turk, he's a very rational guy. He thinks things out. You can tell he's not an alarmist by any means that I can tell. I just love his manner. He just delivers you the facts, and he kind of points you in a direction. He lets you draw your own conclusions. So I'll put a link to the article below. You guys can check that out.